Optimizing your store is the most direct way to increase traffic to your store. Why is this so? You must be wondering why changing just a few words and settings on your site generates more traffic. Well, this is closely related to the search engine optimization, which I'm not going to go through the full details here because it's a pretty large topic. But when you optimize your store to be SEO friendly, your store is more likely to show up on search results when people are looking for certain keywords. And this is why optimizing your store is important. So let's begin. As I've mentioned, optimizing your store can increase your ad rank in search engines. For instance, when people are looking for the keyword Shopify on Google, the first page that shows up on the search results page is Shopify. So the ad rank of Shopify is first. As the ad rank of your store increases, it increases the traffic to your store as well. When you improve your store's visibility and make it easy for potential customers to access your service, the traffic to your store is boosted. And this increases your profits as well. As you can see, these reasons are all tied closely to each other. Optimizing your store can actually lead to a better ad rank, better quality of traffic, which leads to better profits as well. So why wait for traffic when you can actually make it happen? There is no one-size-fits-all strategy to optimizing your online store because different types of stores require different methods. You need to have a few strategically planned methods to improving your web presence. I've listed out a few methods that will help you optimize your Shopify store and achieve higher ranking and more traffic, and they are: write unique contents, configure your website settings, search engine optimization, and give out promotional codes. Let's have a look at each method one by one. First things first, you will need to write unique content for your store. However, before you can even start with writing content, you will need to research the keywords that you're going to use for your store. For instance, if you're selling watches on Shopify, look for a keyword that could represent your store. Fully utilize Google AdWords to look for a profitable keyword. Once you've found the keyword for your store, start writing content. And always remember, do not duplicate content from other sites. It's important that you write everything from scratch. Only original content will increase the ad rank. Every time you write for your store, try to use different keywords. When you expand the range of your keywords, the visibility of your store also expands because your store is more likely to appear on search results when you have a variety of keywords. The content on your store is not limited to the product description. It can also include blog posts, reviews, social proof, information about your upcoming promotions, social media updates, and so on. Generate content regularly and provide fresh content to satisfy the search engines as well as your regular customers. You definitely don't want people to always see the same page over and over again when they go to your store. Also, including your clients' testimonials is good social proof for your store. When someone else is commenting on your products and giving good reviews, it creates a huge impact on your readers. So, including clients' testimonials is a good method of optimizing your store as well. Let's move on to the next method, configuring your website settings. This may require a little bit of technical acumen, as you will need to ensure that the page loading speed is fast. The page loading speed of your website can have a tremendous effect on its ability to convert visitors. It has often been observed that visitors will actually exit the store if the site loads too slowly. Speed is everything these days. People expect things to be fast. Therefore, make sure to optimize the speed of your store as well. If you do not know how to do this, you could contact your web host, in this case Shopify, to solve the problem. And then, make sure to link to the product page from your home page. This is a major problem for most people out there, especially those who are new to this business. They often forget to link the product page to the home page. This could cause a bad web experience for the visitors, which will lead to a bad impression and give you a bad reputation. Search engine optimization is something I've mentioned from the beginning, and I'll only touch on the basics of SEO here because this topic deserves a whole chapter to explain. As some of you may know, SEO is all about keywords. Therefore, look for different keywords to put on your store. Optimize the images of your store. Did you know that you can actually search the name of an image through the search engines? How you name the images on your store can actually help you increase your SEO as well. Last, optimize the anchor text on your store. You can easily enhance the visibility of your store by adding keywords to the internal links. Instead of simply writing, "click here," choose something interesting and catchy. You can even include keyword-rich links and link similar products together. It functions just like a hashtag. You can give out promotional codes to optimize your store as well. Simply drop an email or private message to your potential customers about this upcoming promotion. When you conduct an event on your store, you could actually optimize and run ad campaigns for the event. This can increase the visibility of your store as well. You can hold events on your store occasionally, such as a Christmas sale or a Valentine's sale. According to research, people are more likely to spend on special occasions than on normal days, so don't miss those chances to boost your traffic and sales by conducting your own promotional events.